to be able to see the river from the bedroom. This is the view today out the bedroom window. As you can see, normally the river is much farther away. Those trees are not normally in the river. You see the raspberries now. That little fence line there has raspberries growing on it, and they're also not usually near the river because between the raspberries and that other fence is another garden. So the river is really high. There are some boulders out here. You can see just the very top of one of the tallest ones. And those boulders, there's one right there in the center. Some of them are 20 feet tall. So that's really a lot of water out there. Miss Dana, she's a little bit freaked out. Go for a little walk.